like showing you guys what I got in my mini fridge. There's music in the background if you don't mind. So first it came with like a little ABC magnet. And what I got inside. So some things I like got like the mini brand balls. Confessing, yeah. Okay, and then so right now I'm just gonna like take all this stuff out so I can like organize it with you guys. Hold on. Let's turn that down a bit. Sorry if it's a bit too loud. Bitches, baby, there's nothing holding me back. I'll like tell you guys like what I got from the like mini brand balls and like the fridge itself. And yeah, so the first thing like I mostly love about this is that like there's a light when you open it, and when you close it the light turns off, and then there's also a blue light. Then here's the freezer. There's like a little freezer down there to keep all like the stuff that have to stay frozen. Like literally, I should make popsicles to put down there. Baby, I should stop. Okay, the first thing that I'm gonna put in is Blue Diamond. I think this is like butter. This says low sodium. I like actually love like mini brands. They're like so nice. Baby, sorry guys, I'm struggling to not sing to this. Okay. Wait, what was next? I forgot. Oh, okay, I remember. It's a food tray. You can actually pop it open. I'm showing you guys everything that's in it. So first we got, what's it called? Watermelon and pineapple. So that's gonna go right in our bowl. Then we got lime and orange. And then we got a little grape to top it off right in the middle. Then it says it itself, fruit tray. Okay. Then we got Cool Whip. I never actually tried Cool Whip. Comment down below if Cool Whip is good, and make sure to like too. Then the next thing I'm putting is fish. It goes right here on the side. I forgot to take something out of here. Sorry. Okay, but anyway, I love reorganizing this. It's like so fun. And then we got this juice. It's random. I don't know. Let's put it right here. Right there. And then there's the next song. Hold on. Turn it up. Okay. This is Olipop. Oh, Olipop, not olive. Olipop, strawberry vanilla. My hands are like so big compared to this. Look at how tiny this is. Like, let's put that right there. Oh my gosh, my hands are like so small to like try to shove it in there. Next I'm gonna do like right here. Okay, so we got some Pizza Hut. There's pepperoni pizza inside. Someone stole my pizza. I wonder who stole my pizza. I'm just gonna leave this wide open right here. Perfect. Okay, then we got some Panda Express, Chinese kitchen. We got this. I think that's chicken. I don't know. I can't like figure out honestly. Like I wish it could close though. I just wish it could close. That would be so cute. Okay, let's put our Panda Express in there. Then I know Peeps don't belong in there, but I'm putting Peeps in. There's 10. If you can't see, there's 10. That's that. So we're putting it right there. Can you guys see okay? My screen was blurry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, let's put that right there. And then I'm putting Country Time. What's it called? Pink lemonade. Okay, let's put that right next to our Pizza Hut. Then right here, I'm gonna put my sauces. So number one sauce is Swedish relish. Then we got ketchup. Then I got 57. I don't know what it's called, honestly. I think it's 57. By the way, this is from the mini brand Ball. This came with the fridge. This came with the fridge. This came with the fridge. These both came with the fridge. The Peeps came from mini brand Ball, fridge, mini brand Ball, fridge, and all these down here are from the mini brand Ball. Down here in the freezer, I'm opening this one. I'm putting the bites. It's a mini brand Ball. That's what that's from. And then we have our scooper for ice. That's going right in here. And that was from a mini brand Ball. But yeah. Bye.